Hi people, I've had a very busy and stressful week last week, so I didn't get around to opening another ball. I was attending the AVN Convention and Awards. That's the Corno Awards or whatever, if you don't know what that is. So now I'm gonna open up a little ball, so I'm sorry, I'm a little bit hoarse. So, if you're wondering why I sound funny, that's why. Oh my god, is it gonna open correctly this time? Oh, I spoke too soon again. Hold on, wait. Hold on. I might be getting the hang of this. Hold on. Wait. No? Maybe? I'm trying. Y'all, these things are the worst. These are the worst to open, literally. Ow! Okay. We're getting there. Maybe? Oh my god. Like, I always have to make 2-3 different videos, however many, because these things don't like to open very easily. But part of the fun is opening them. Oh, we got Mr. Freddy joining us today. Freddy, say hi. Say hello. So Mr. Freddy's joining us in this ridiculousness. I just love the sound of all that. Alright, we got it open. Let's see what's inside. Alright, I'm gonna open these. I gotta listen to them because they sound like crunchy snacks. And I like crunchy snacks. Let's see. Aw, man, I already got this. The little moisturizer, whatever it is. That's cute, but I already got this one. What? Let's see. Oh, I got a new sticker. That one's cute. It's green. Oh my god, another of the little makeup brush. I've got like 3 or 4 of these now. And I got another compact. So nothing new there, unfortunately. Let's see if I finally got the shiny pink bag that I've been wanting. I hope so. It's not shiny and pink, but it is kind of pink. Mr. Freddy. He's like, Mother, why are you opening up these stupid little bags again? And take the little things out. See, it looks, I guess it's supposed to look kind of like a Louis Vuitton, but it's obviously an MF, a mini fashion. Pretty cool. Alright. I like that at least I got a different bag, because the little accessories, like, I already got like 3, I don't know, however many of each. Too many. And by the way, if you like my little tracksuit I got on today, go to theMarathonClothing.com and get you your own, because it's freaking awesome. And you pair it with a little tiny purse, and there you go. You're ready to go grocery shopping.